Aventadors. All right. You already know. Well, we're back with another, whoa, I can't talk. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry if right now me talking is gonna be like really off. I am feeling dead. I think I'm either already sick or getting sick. I hope it's not COVID. I'm gonna go get tested soon. I shouldn't be out right now. Yeah, I definitely shouldn't be out right now, but I had to get this content for you. I know how much you guys love the car meets. Those are like the videos that do best on the channel, and you guys always comment like that you want more of the car meet stuff. So I thought, what better than taking the H2 to one of the biggest car meets here in Southern California. If you guys don't know Origins, look them up on Instagram. They are one of the biggest, if not the biggest, car meet here in LA, California area. Super big. A lot of big YouTubers and stuff go to. They always host big events. This event that we're going to right now is actually a pop-up, so it's not kind of like one of their big events. It's a like last minute event that they decided to do, which I thought is kind of better because I did not want to take the H2 in my current condition to like a super big event, if you know what I mean. But don't doubt, this is still gonna be pretty insane. It always gets wild there. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I'm gonna be so dead. Feeling good? Could have been better. Don't pass out. Yeah, I'll try not to pass out. I think this will keep me up. Oh, I am dead. Whew, I tried wearing the gloves today, but unfortunately I slid this side on barely, even though it hurt. But I just realized that I can't really squeeze the other side on because I can't use my thumb to grip or anything yet. My thumb is pretty much like numb. I can barely move it like this, so I couldn't like grip so I can put this side on because the gauntlets are really tight. I'm gonna have to get me some kind of like shorter gloves, you know what I mean? I already have a pair, Alpine Stars. I call them the summer gloves. But yeah, I couldn't put on the gauntlets. Taking it chill, you guys. I am not. A, I am still recovering from the accident, and B, I'm feeling sick. So no crazy pulls on the H2, nothing wild. I'm not trying to get pulled over or arrested too. I'm already going through a lot right now. Just I know how much you guys love these car meets, so I wanted to take you to one. Alright, not too bad. I think we might be a little too late because I know the meet starts at 9 and we are, I believe it's like 9:30 or so. But last time, this entire kind of exit off the freeway was packed for the meet. Alright, alright. Here we are. cops are already here. Haha. Look at all this. McLaren, Aventador, 2 Aventadors. 3, there's an SVJ right there. It's hot as 4 Aventadors, alright. No revving since we saw that cop. Challenger, I don't know what that is, but haha, all the bikes are in here. Let's go around in circles and then we'll come back here. This is the VIP section, which I'm gonna come back to, but for now, I know you guys. I'm riding around checking out the cars and shit. I'm just riding around for now. Oh, it's a Hellcat. It's cute. I miss my Hellcat. That's actually not as bad as last time. Last time was insanely packed. This entire lot was packed.
Park in the front?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and park in the front. I'm just going around to check out the cars and all. Yes, the entire lot was full last time. I don't know if I should label this as the biggest car meet anymore. Appreciate it, man. Oh, this is the slow guy that I gap with any bike or car.
Let's go. Let's wait. Let's go.
10K.
10K. It's your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, sick bike, bro.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No, this is your fastest bike. What up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Everything good?
Chilling, yeah.
Alright, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I don't really like leaving the bike in meets like this. That's why I usually don't take the H2. But so everyone starts getting close, filming and all. I gotta show you guys some of the supercars. Heart rate V10. All right. Oh, let me see those. GT3 RS. Oof. That's wild. Oh, sheepy race. Alright, that ain't stuck. I'll gap it easy. Oh, cute. It's Aprilia. Sounds good. Can't deny that. Look at those.
Come on, my God.
You guys have seen this before. Wild. Alright. That's all you guys get. That's all my OCD can handle. Being that far from the bike. Decent amount of bikers in here. I look like the C8s. Definitely looks exotic to me. Always. Always. I left you a spot, but I was like, where the hell did he go? Yep.
Should I go in with all of us?
Huh?
Should I go in with all of us?
Bunch of slow bikes, man. Yeah.
Where's it at?
All the way in the front. All the way in the front. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie. This is why I don't like taking the issue here. Whoa. That is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Pretty nice. Carbon fiber GTR. Okay, wheel horsepower. That's too easy for the H2. Alright. Oh, whoa. Another carbon GTR. Well, you don't see that all the time. Finding Nick or someone like that. I think he's a YouTuber with the red GTR. Another. Holy GTRs. I know that guy with the. Yeah, Bill Coe. He's famous. Cool, cool. I'm ending this right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.